Poxay jambulpuche, or coat poxay and black poxay belong to the Timalidae family or from its scientific name Garrulax leucolyphus. Elang alap is a bird species from the Accipitridae family and its scientific name is Accipiter novi hollandii. Muridon. The muridon is a type of bird species included in the Chloropsidae family and its scientific name is Chloropsis sunarati. Jalang jambul hitam. Jalang jambul hitam belongs to the species family Rhabdotiurinus corrugatus, and its scientific name is Acerus corrugatus. Serak Jawa or barn owl is a large bird species, easily recognized as a white owl with the scientific name Tytoalba. The Bohemian waxwing is a type of passerine bird the size of a starling whose population is found in the northern forests of the Palearctic and also North America with its scientific name Bomycilla gurulus. Sendrazi kuning basar of paradise is a bird of paradise belonging to the family Paradiseidae. The scientific name for bird of paradise is Paradisea epida. Muroc bird. Muroc are three species of birds in the genera Pavo and Afropavo of the partridge family, with the scientific name Phasianidae. There are various types of birds in this world. With our respective family groups, we will review it again, maybe in the next video. Therefore we are obliged to protect and preserve to balance the ecosystem of life in this world.